Adsense still a cash out? With the approach of Google losing a legal dispute and a shed heap of cash, and the proceeded with issue of snap misrepresentation, the inquiry is presently barely out of reach of everybody's mind. Is Google AdSense still the money cow that it was? In this article I'll investigate manners by which the normal website admin may in any case build up an effective AdSense business, and how to utilize the exceptional Google which chase furthering your potential benefit. There are as of now two primary issues that are confronting Google, the two of which are not kidding and could prompt the end of both Adsense and Adwords. The first and most difficult issue is that of snap misrepresentation. For those of you who don't know, click extortion is the demonstration of tapping all alone or a companion's promotions trying to create fake profit. This is such an issue for Google as it guarantees that the worth that AdWords buyers gets is essentially less than they would need, in this manner guaranteeing that at some point or another they will simply get up and leave with what survives from their promoting financial plan immovably clasped in their grasp. To cure this difficult, Google have taken a stab at setting up a few standards, for example, not permitting the website admin to show AdSense promotions in auto-surf locales, to name however one limitation. The second issue that Google faces identifies with content, prominently the measure of unique substance which is out there. The issue for this situation is that numerous individuals have bought article scrubber programming that you point at somebody else's site and simply yell bring. It at that point restores a report assortment which is a finished removed from the site. This was at that point an issue before the appearance of AdSense destinations, and with the consistent chain of individuals pursuing high-worth watchwords it has gotten more terrible. It is presently conceivable to look for a given expression on Google and return only copy content for the initial not many pages of web index results. So as to address this difficult, Google has been altering its calculation to adequately rebuff individuals with copy content. The degree to which an individual site is punished is presently an issue for banter. All in all, given Google is going to dispatch a witch chase searching for locales with only copy content and for individuals performing click extortion, what would you be able to do? After all, there are such a significant number of individuals out there utilizing site age instruments that Google can follow or potentially record obfuscation innovation. You've seen the promotions. We can make your one unique article into 300 and Google will never know. That's right, and any individual who visits your site will simply discover hot air with spelling blunders or logical mix-ups. Stage 1. In the event that you should utilize site age programming, ensure you discover one that abandons no-follow itself. Ask yourself, on the off chance that I was taking a gander at the source code from the produced page, how might I realize that it's machine-created? Stage 2. Try not to utilize site-scratching devices, they're corrupt and a misuse of your time. Stage 3. Do incorporate RSS channels into your pages. They include new substance with no exertion on your part. At any rate, one of the site age devices presently bolsters this sort of usefulness. Stage 4. Try not to tap on your own adverts. Google will can you in a split second. Stage 5. Do get approaching connections from built-up destinations in a similar territory as your specialty content. Synopsis. On the off chance that you are at all genuine about making an AdSense salary, you need more than one site, thus it is inescapable that you will utilize site age devices in light of the fact that there aren't sufficient hours in the day for you to make the measure of pages by hand. By all methods, utilize these devices, yet use them morally. When utilizing site age instruments, guarantee that they permit you to include numerous squares of AdSense ClickBank code to each page. It spares you a great deal of time, and that it performs site design improvement for you, both on page and off page. You ought to likewise set aside the effort to think of your very own portion unique substance like this, or maybe pay a professional writer to make a clump of articles for you. Remember to promotion your profile box at the base of all that you compose. To address the underlying inquiry, truly, it is as yet conceivable to rake in some serious cash from Google. You simply should be cautious.